You might have encountered or might be using the word preoccupation. Preoccupation is a state or a condition when someone is engrossed with something or maybe with someone. But we cannot wholly judge unto what is inside of that person when he or she is preoccupied with things, with people, events, or experiences. But certainly, there is a certain downside when we are too much preoccupied. Jesus gave enough examples how people were preoccupied with things and concerns during their life. Jesus said that before the flood, people were eating, drinking, marrying. Before fire and brimstone came over them from the sky, people were preoccupied with things that they were doing. Hindi naman po binabaliwala ni Jesus ang mga bagay na ginagawa, iniisip at marahil nais po nating gawin at mga ginagawa natin ngayon. He just wishes that we do not get preoccupied so that we can also know and be aware of what lies ahead. It is important that we do our tasks today, but it may not hopefully blur our vision to what is essential for us. We might be too engrossed with work, with hobbies, with concerns, and with thoughts, but we tend to forget and see that we also need God and we also need to seek God. We might center ourselves with so much thoughts that we tend not to focus on necessary things. Sobra ng busy, kaya hindi na makakita at maihanda ang sarili sa tunay na hinaharap ng buhay. Preoccupations might be a stumbling block to see what is essential and good for us. What we do today may not hopefully harm us and our tomorrow, but prepare us for things yet to come. What we do or what occupies us may not be keys and even ways not to see and even not enjoy beautiful things God is offering us. Let us be aware of what preoccupies us. It might snatch us away to see what is ahead of us. It might also block our vision to see God. Let mindfulness be the name of the game so that we will enjoy holy. Let us also enjoy holy and arm ourselves to seek God and see what God is offering us.